and I'm going to show you how to assemble an Ottoman for a stressless chair. So come in a little closer. So there's the top of the Ottoman, and there's a zipper, which I opened up because it's just easier to get in. There are two tracks, one on each side, and when this is assembled, it slides like this. So there's two parts. So these two pieces fit around this, and when they're together, they just slide back and forth on here. So there's two grooves. We want to be in the top one, and this one's a little easier to get on, like that. The outside one slides on pretty easily, and then those little knobs fit together, snap tight. So then these posts line up with these holes. I'm just going to stick them on, push those down. Let me take that back off a second. So these two holes are where these end up. They're going to fit through the wood, and they're going to fit into those holes right there. And that's what locks everything in place. So we're going to go like that, and like that. And let's see how we're going to see what I'm doing now. Just push those in tight. Same on this side. Find those holes. Just make sure they're in tight. And we're done.